All right, so the last video that we did was how to find slope given 2 points. Here we're going to look at how to find slope given an equation of a line. So number 27 is nice and easy. It's already set up in a standard form that we use a lot. Our standard form that we use a lot is called slope-intercept form. So it goes y equals mx plus b. So m and b are numbers that are in the equation. M is the number that's in front of x. B is the number that you're adding or subtracting. M is always our slope, and B is always our y-intercept. Okay, so if we look at this problem right here, we've got our M is the number in front of x, so that's this number right here, this 1/3, and our B, let me change this color a little bit. Okay, and our B is this piece right here. The color didn't come out too good, but it's going to be that piece right there. So that's as easy as you want to make it. So our M in this problem is 1/3, and our B is 1. So this question right here says just find the slope. That's your answer right there. So now I added this extra question into here because I want you guys to be able to do this. If you notice, in this equation right here, it's already solved for y. Once a linear equation is solved for y, it's going to be in slope-intercept form. So if we're given an equation like this, which is called standard form, what we need to do is we need to make y the subject of this problem. So the first thing we're going to do is subtract 3x from both sides. Subtract 3x, and we get 2y equals 6 minus 3x. Oops, that was bad. 3x. Okay, then we need to divide by 2. Divide everything by 2, so this gets us y equals 3 minus 3/2 x. Now remember, slope is the number that's in front of the x. So in this problem, you've got to make sure you look at this and go, oh, the number in front of the x is this negative 3/2. This number right here is our y-intercept. So I'm going to move it over here, and I'm going to rewrite it as y equals negative 3/2 x plus 3. These two equations are now equivalent. They're the same exact thing. But now it's written in slope-intercept form, and we can look, and that's going to be our slope. That's going to be our y-intercept. So in this one, our m equals negative 3/2.